Hello guys, good morning. Welcome back to another interesting video on my channel today. In today's video, we're going to be talking about the mount that I'm going to be using for the new Benelli TRK that I've just purchased. So as you know, for any traveler that there is out there, right, the most important thing that we need is like a mobile holder. So when we talk about mobile holders, right, we've got, the ultimate, the RAM mount, and then we've got the jaw grip mounts, and then we've got the cheap ones on Amazon, the one for 400, which hardly lasts for about 6 months, right? I had two mobile holders on mine. One was the Bobo Mobile Holder and one was the RAM mount. I did not want to choose a RAM mount because one, it is way too big. So whenever I'm vlogging, right, the phone itself is going to take away half of the space on the screen. So I decided not to go for that. I wanted something small, something sleek, something that I can dismantle whenever I wanted and just use it whenever I needed it. Alright guys, so I got this on Amazon and I will leave a link in the description, but for now this is what the packaging looks like. So it's got the Bobo branding, it's got a 1-year warranty on it, and it says it's a bike holder, and then it has 360-degree rotation, and it's a universal fit, which means you can fit any mobile phone that you have out there. So let's quickly do the unboxing of it. I've got the mobile holder downstairs here, so let's get this fixed. We've got like a few clamps in here. I don't think I'll be using this clamp. We got this one because not a lot of bikes have the handlebar, right? So this one is for your mirror. Not using this one as well. We got this is the main thing. So they've given us an Allen key as well, and we've got a few nuts and bolts and screws and all of the things that are required. So let's go. Okay, so ideally a lot of others bikers would choose to fix it over here. I decided to fix it on my handlebar because I do not want the mobile holder to be like in the middle of the screen. It's very distracting for me and for you as well. So I've decided to just go for fixing the mount over here. So let me show you how to get this fixed. Okay, so this is where I want to fix it. However, right, it's not gonna just fix by itself. So I've just added a small double-sided sticker, and then this one came along with it. So just add this one as well, right? So add this as well into it. And then it should sit tightly without any issues. So got the Allen key here, and you just need one screw. So you need one screw, which is the longer one. Okay, so a lot of you guys might have the question about the key, right? So Is the key gonna disturb the mobile? Is that gonna cause a problem? Absolutely not, guys. So I've got the key, which is like really low, and then I've got the mobile holder here. So if I look at it from this angle, right, it's not gonna obstruct me in any way. Like, the mobile holder is way low. I can see the dashboard and I can see the visor like really clearly. So I've got the mobile holder here. Got the mobile here, and it fits perfectly. Alright guys, so as you can see, right, I've got the mobile holder fixed, and I'm just doing a small test ride to show you how it feels like. So number one, we're gonna check for vibrations. As you can see, right, it's like pretty steady. There's no vibrations whatsoever. It's just there. So that's one thing. The second thing is you can actually change the position of the phone. So usually I like it upright, but then there are some people who actually like it sideways. So in case you want it sideways, you can keep it sideways as well. Well, it's gonna hurt a little over here if you got a pretty longer phone, but other than that, it isn't that big of an issue. See, it actually sits right across over there. So one is, it's like really steady, and you can change it to any angle that you want. You can either make it landscape or portrait, depending on your choice. Well, that's it guys. I've showed you what it looks like, what it feels like, how to install it, and I guess there should not be any questions, but in case you do, please don't hesitate to hook me up in the comment section below. So ask any questions that you might have, and I'll be happy to answer your questions. If you got questions you want to ask personally, you can hook me up on Instagram as well. And for now guys, that's about it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please do not forget to subscribe and hit the like button as well, and I will see you soon in the next upcoming video. Until then, take care and have a nice day guys.